Please.
Welcome back to Whlack, and we're gonna drive these motorcycles.
Hopefully.
Is this the finale? Maybe.
Brakes are for pussies.
Leon.
It's Leo.
Funny old Leo, pal. I'm fucking glitching and shit.
Well, I'm doing fantastically. Thank you for asking.
I'm just not asking. I'm full. Oh shit. I'm almost dead. I'm getting shot at. Oh shit.
And we backflips.
Watch out for that road.
Watch out for that girl. She's got those thunder thighs. Right?
Maybe.
Holy bullshit.
See you later.
Dude, they're right on our tail. Fuck.
Well, I don't have a tail. I evolved from monkeys.
You did?
And I no longer needed the tail, despite the fact that a tail would be pretty fucking handy right now.
Yeah, it
I
would.
could shoot with it. Imagine that.
Holy fuck.
What the fuck did you do?
I didn't see them. My eyes are
This is supposed to be our big getaway. You
My eyes were
just
not
fucking
concentrating
drove into
properly.
a fucking
Did you see?
car. I did see. Oh shit!
Don't go left.
Left. Up.
Turn left to turn right.
I thought you said we shouldn't go left. Why we both go left?
Don't go right.
You said left.
I meant go left.
Well, don't go left is a complete lot of difference to go left. Oh fuck.
Holy Jamaican sauce.
That's
Why aren't we shooting as well?
because we're on motorbikes. Stupid.
Oh yeah.
Look at me go. Whoa. Hey, what's up, Leo?
Hey man, how are you?
I'm good, thanks.
Cool man.
Thanks for asking.
Whoa.
How are they driving the cars down here so flawless?
See, to think, if we went the same way, we wouldn't have got that cool slow motion shot.
Well, we probably get pushed that way or some shit. Oh fuck! I'm Leo. Slow down there. I'm slightly dying.
I can't slow down.
You got to. You have to slow down.
Look,
I'm getting.
I don't want to die.
I'm getting my ass shot off, Leo.
Well, you just gonna have to stand up.
The rest of my life.
Holy shit.
Fuck, Leo. Oh, oh Leo.
Holy mother of cows.
Holy no. Oh.
Mel Dixon.
Ow, I'm pretty sure I lost my head.
No, it was just an explosion.
Decapitation was the word that I would have used. Oh. Fuck.
I don't know how I'm still alive.
think
I don't know how you're still alive.
Shit. Oh, see, look, we got split up now. I got blown up and pushed down that hole.
Holy camel toe.
Road again. I'll just keep going on the road again.
Hey, I lost them. Oh fuck, I lost my bike as well. Bollocks. Hey, come back for me.
I'm fucking coming.
Vincent! I
I
remembered your
know, I
name.
get to drive.
I get to shoot.
Shoot fucking hardest. We're going off this way.
Hey, fuck man, don't turn.
I need to. We need to dodge these pricks. We know how you are with shooting. We've done this before.
When you're turning like a bitch.
I'm gray. Dee, I'm gonna die.
Say, man. Hey, look, we just got a lot better.
Hey, that's great.
I had a shotgun. It would be so much easier with a shotgun.
You can't shoot one-handed with a fucking shotgun. The Milky Bar Kid.
Where?
Yeah.
I am lost. Oh, look, I didn't see it. Come on, Milky Way.
The Milky Bar Kid is strong enough. Get the fuck on. Oh, fuck.
You trying to decapitate me?
Decapitate.
It's like patty cake with my head.
Alright, see you later.
You gotta hold on to what you got.
Oh, that was close.
We almost
It's
done died.
It's almost as if it was played to be close.
So is this the bit from the beginning?
Maybe.
Hey, thanks, Milky Way.
You guys are crazy.
It's Brian.
You're gonna have to pay me triple for this.
Brian's got a weird name. Milky Way.
You're not gonna hear me say this often.
Name for
He said
Thanks.
thanks.
person. Thanks, man.
You too.
You too, Leo. I thought we were going in for this.
Yeah,
That was awkward.
I think I'm
I
gonna
know
write that
who
letter.
let in, but that
I
was
think
weird.
I'm gonna write that letter.
It's a great idea.
Carol's a bitch.
Make sure you include
You have
that
a
in
pen
the
and
letter.
paper? Wait now.
Carol doesn't deserve your letter.
Why not? It's a long way
Dude,
home.
I'm gonna go home and
You got anything
kill my
better?
kid.
I'm gonna fucking jack off. It's been a while, you know.
All right.
Really, I did it back there.
On the bike. How'd you
No,
bike- how'd
when
you
they were
bike-
shooting at us.
How'd you bike and do it? Well, I wasn't riding the bike.
The bike was riding me.
No, I meant Vincent just riding the Vincent was... He's still writing the letter.
Dear Carol, my friend said you're a bitch. I don't
Told
know if I
me to
believe
include
that.
this in the letter, so I guess I have to. I did
He's
save his
dead
life.
now.
I
Just
saved
found out
his
he
life.
jumped off on a... Oh. Hey, Milky Way.
Drop- I'm gonna get out of here.
In 10 minutes.
We haven't landed. Oh.
He's already gone. Leo? Yeah? Could you close the door? Why is it open? Vincent, go out and jump.
Vincent!
You sure?
Yeah, I'm fine.
I'm fine. Good night.
Leo,
Good night, sweet prince. Just wake.
What is it that you want,
You're
Leo?
beautiful when you're sleeping.
Thank you.
That's
I
alright.
think we are going to jump out.
Nothing but there. Just
Well, I didn't see that mountain there.
foggy tonight. Hope you got your shitting pants on, boys, because we're smashing into a mountain.
Tonight. Wow, dude.
Oh, fuck. The police.
Why would the police chase us? We haven't killed anyone.
We've done nothing wrong.
We only stole a diamond.
Well, she was working with the cops.
Fucking Milky Way. Two-timing.
Was
Probably
she?
a Snickers bitch.
Well, she don't have her hands up, which makes me think she was working with the cops. But why would she help us? And then, I don't fucking know.
She probably wants the gem.
If you guys lost the paperwork to our prison files, would that be okay?
I don't even like Milky Ways.
Yeah, she was.
Dun, dun, dun.
She was working with him. We told.
She's not
we
even
said
blonde
this at the
anymore.
beginning.
We did, yeah.
Why was she in the play?
Why did we
With
on
the
the cover?
policeman? And there she fucking was.
What a turn of events this was.
Hello,
Hello, I am that guy from Breaking Bad.
I am the mushti.
The Mushti.
Oh, poor the the guard, the prison.
What's he saying, Vincent?
Go to prison. Are the prison the boo? Is Capaldi? Oh!
Yeah, I think he's taking us to prison.
The nose is a woollyboog. Doodly-doo. We've been looking for this for years, you see.
I think it's his voice box.
good job, man.
I want you to shoot me.
I want you to shoot me.
Wait, you're undercover as well?
Oh, wait, what?
I'm sorry, Leo.
Fuck. Holy shit, that was a turn of events.
Fuck!
But John, you can't do this to me. What about your wife?
How's it at? Why was I? We're gonna put you in prison as an undercover. Oh, we're gonna find out what happened.
What's a flashback?
I remember this scene.
See, I told you that was Harvey.
Yeah, it was. We know it was Harvey. Now.
You said Harvey was
Stop slapping! Sorry. We've already seen this scene. Is he just gonna be hiding behind the car?
I was on every moment of your life. Yep, pretty much.
Oh, so he was undercover. But then why would he kill Harvey?
That's a good, you know, fuck, he's killing me as well. I mean, I'm sure he doesn't care about Harvey too much. What are they saying? Something weird, I think.
But then why would the
I heard
police...
it. I need my voice box.
Are you bush? Ooh.
Hey, shh! I think he's making weird noises.
Oh, the diamond is in the bowl.
He says the diamond's in the bowl.
But why would the
I'm getting all
police...
static.
Why would the police chase him in the hospital when he was on his own?
Wasn't they a different country? He went on his own.
No, they were split up, weren't they? So the
That
police
make it
didn't have to chase
believable.
me.
See, I think, and this is true,
This is true.
when it's undercover cops, only like 2 people in the precinct actually know.
Right.
Pleasure
That's
doing
what I
business
got
with
from
you guys.
the departed anyway.
All right.
We do not know who he is.
Oh!
Shit!
Fuck.
Shot fire! Go! 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 Secure the area! Move it!
Oh, look. I met him first. No, Gary!
Gary, no!
Officer down!
Well, that was, he was undercover. Shit.
Oh, that's why he got shot.
Gary! Stay with me.
Fuck, man.
Please!
It all makes sense.
I'm sorry.
Gary! Gary!
Somebody call an ambulance now!
You shot my best friend. I thought I was your best friend.
You're in big trouble.
You're in
You
big
understand?
trouble, you understand? No, Leo's giving him the silent treatment.
Where's Harvey?
Oh,
Where's
no,
the
that's
Black
not Vincent.
Warlock?
No.
What are you, deaf?
I heard.
Oh, the precinct is very big.
I don't know what you're saying.
You got the diamond.
I know he's trying to speak to me, but...
Oh, the black diamond. Oh, the chicken.
Do you just say what you think?
No, spork, spork, spork.
I love a smoke. Thank you very much.
You got it?
I can't believe it.
Oh, that's him.
Yeah. Oh, no.
My son.
You should have guessed all the police. We wear mustaches. Did you hear that whistle I just did? What the fuck was that?
I have no idea. I didn't know if that was me or you.
No,
Or
I felt it, but I don't know how it happened.
TV.
This is the only way. Just put me in a cell next to him.
He was my best friend.
You're too close to this Vincent.
Gary
I
was
don't
my
care what his
brother.
name is. He'll
Only
always
flesh and
be
blood.
Oh,
And he's
Vincent
dead
to
because
his
of
brother
I
was the
put him
one
in
that
that
was
situation.
undercover.
I need
Peek.
to do this, and
That's
you
what
know
he
it.
said.
Just talk about his brother from
Just
the
make it
series.
happen, James.
He does.
You're under arrest, Leo. It's over.
It's over. No a way out. Nah, who fucks with me now, bitches? I got your best guy. Bang, bang. Move out the fucking way. Yeah, you could probably all shoot me from behind. That doesn't mean I'm not going to shoot. Hey,
Easy, little.
you betrayed me.
You don't have to
You
do
don't
this.
have to do this.
You're gonna pay for this.
I'll tell
Don't
you
make
what
me
I don't
shoot
have to
him.
do.
Move, and I'll shoot.
Get in the fucking car.
Get in the fucking
Take
car.
me somewhere nice.
I'm gonna drive.
I'm gonna draw. Fuck this. Well, I think Leo died. Or Vincent.
I fucking trusted you.
Fucking
Vincent.
trusted you, Vincent.
You need to calm down.
I
Calm
did
down.
save your life
Are
a
you
few
serious?
times, remember?
And then you fucking put a gun to my face.
Angry? You haven't seen me angry.
See
yet.
me angry, I'm gonna fucking
Backstab
backstab a
Please,
pig.
just calm
I
down.
think that's what I said.
Just shut the fuck up.
Wait till I drive off a fucking cliff.
Let's see. This is insane.
Leo, please.
You know what's insane? Double crossing me just to kill someone or something. I don't know why you did it. I'm not gonna listen like that.
Yup, nothing to say.
What, I shoot your brother or something? I don't think I even shot your brother. Someone else shot your brother. And then I helped you kill the guy who shot your brother. Shouldn't that
really
account for
sorry.
something?
Please stop the car. Sorry? You're sorry, huh?
Sorry, yeah.
I can't believe
I'm sorry.
You should be fucking sorry, you piece of shit rat fucking asswipe.
Look, it's
It's
over.
over. The entire police
You
force
said
is
take a
after
gun.
you.
Why don't you take my
There's
gun?
no way out of
Because I
this.
want to talk.
I saw it, Vincent.
Just
One
talk to me,
bullet
Leo.
hole through the bullet
What's
right
on your
through
mind?
forehead.
There's always time for death.
It's true.
That's actually a good point. There's always time for death. It's never not a time when it's like, oh, this will be a really bad
Shit,
time.
we're underwater.
Shit, we should probably get out of here. Hey, do you want to walk together again?
Yeah, well, why would you want to walk with me?
Oh, you sound just like the police chief. Or I'd be swimming up. Probably to breathe, but
Yeah, that's probably what
I
it
should
is.
probably swim away, right?
Damn it! Come on! Piece of shit! I can't
Hey, what's
let
up?
you get
Hey,
away.
fuck off!
You're a dead man, Vincent!
Going on a trip in my favorite little ship. That's it.
Now I get to shoot this fucker.
Go, go, go!
Probably. I was like, this is going a bit slow. Boats off the boats!
End of a fucking line, Leon!
This is literally like that game where I remember I said it was like, oh, you have to go through all these bosses and then eventually you have to turn on each other.
Yeah,
So like that.
there you go. I'm shooting your engine so I don't kill you, but this is the basic idea of this premise.
Vincent, you crazy bastard!
Come, I will have to shoot you soon if you don't stop steering the... Pilot, could you please? Thank you.
It's fucking insane!
Come on now.
Vincent,
We
you
don't want
crazy
to cut
bastard!
you, Leon. You're a good man.
It's Leo!
You killed Harvey. You killed my brother. Whoa, that was a fucking... What are you
That's
doing?
what you call a ruse, bitches.
You're allowed to do that.
Fucking insane!
God, worked out well, didn't it?
Yeah.
Holy fuck, my boat's gonna die.
Yep, you didn't cut it.
Well, look, that's the end of the road anyway, so.
Holy fuck.
I think he exploded. There's no way he jumped out in time.
Next time on Whlack. Sorry, this was going to be a final episode. It's running a bit long.